The mountains are calling, and I must go. These majestic natural wonders. Mountains have always been a source of beauty, and sometimes we don't have the words to capture how much we admire them, how much we enjoy them as a powerful metaphor for hard work, exploration, and victory in literature and art. And it takes decades and millions of years to form a mountain and forest, this beautiful place which is well balanced. We can learn a lot from trees, forest, mountains, that is patience, that it takes time and resolve to grow and grow strong, and humbling कि अभी हमें और बढ़ना है. Trees teach us that there is a time to do and there is a time to be. Life has its ups and downs, and while you are full of energy and motivated during your up times, the down times are for rest, relaxation, and reflection. Whenever possible, try to spend time in solitude. Spend time being still. Spend time asking questions, reflecting, understanding. When you are still and in reflection, you start to gain valuable insights that will guide you in the next phase of your life. I like the quote, time spent amongst trees is never wasted time. The happiness you find in nature is priceless. Vincent van Gogh states that, and then I am nature and art and poetry, and if that is not enough, what is enough? I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more informative art blogs. Thank you for watching.